year, it's time to get festive and partified and blinged out and looking fabulous, yet totally unique for those groovy parties that you shall be attending. Now, I'm going to show you today that you need not resort to hitting up the mall and buying a bunch of glittery items. You can look in your own closet, swap with some buddies, or hit up your local thrift or charity shop and grab some totally awesome new to you gear that, yeah, we will put together and it will look fabulous. So let's get started.
This is Confession Stuff, a Refashionista.
Now, of course, sequins and anything shiny and blingy are holiday wear staples, but did you know that you can score these fantastic shiny items for pennies or even for free? I got this absolutely stunning blazer from a swap that I went to just a couple of months ago. When I saw it on the rack, I knew, yes, that will be mine. And yeah, I now have an absolutely fantastic blingy blazer for nothing, for free. So absolutely hit up those swaps and always be thinking ahead, where could you possibly wear something shiny? Well, holidays come around every single year, so just pack it away in your closet if you don't have any events to wear it to, or if you're not into wearing, you know, bling to the supermarket. And yeah, just look at these fabulous finds here. This thrift score, and it was absolutely handmade sometime, I would guess, in the 60s, maybe early 70s. It is all hand stitched, absolutely stunningly beautiful, and yeah, it cost me $5 at the thrift store. So this is a definite keeper, and I mean, it's just simply gorgeous. Pop it on over a jumpsuit or simply over, you know, a blouse and a pair of jeans, and it looks fabulous. These types of butterfly tops are everywhere, and they are popular every single year. So why bother getting a brand new one when you can simply just pop on over to the thrift store and pick up an actual true 1970s butterfly top for not a lot of money at all. There are, of course, kind of more modern versions as well, but yeah, I'm pretty happy to add even the modern ones to my wardrobe because they are still very beautiful. Next, here is another absolutely gorgeous vintage find. Again, completely handmade. You can even maybe see, let me see. All of these were individually hand stitched on, all of these sequins. And it makes me a little bit sad that somebody didn't appreciate the beauty and the workmanship that went into this. But you know what? It ended up in my closet for $2. So yay me. Now you can also very easily shop in your own closet for maybe those blingy items that have sat in the back since last party time, and refashion them into something absolutely fabulous, like I did with this very tiny mini skirt, plus a long maxi skirt. And yeah, I simply sewed them together to create a very beautiful, totally new to me look. I shall put the tutorial below for you. Now, a recent study by Oxfam shows that over 33 million brand new sequin garments will be purchased during the holiday season. And unfortunately, over half of those are going to end up where? In the trash, in the landfill. Now, there are enough sequin garments existing in the world today, right now, for every single person to have 10, 20 of them, there really is no need to continue buying brand new blingy garments. Simply look in the back of your closet, look in your friend's closet, your family's closet. You're bound to find something lovely and shiny that if it doesn't fit you or if it's not your style, simply refashion it into something that is. Or hit up those charity shops, thrift stores, the swaps, and proof right here. You can find awesome, shiny, blingy garments for pennies or for nothing at all. Unfortunately, during the lead up to the holiday season, during the holiday season, and kind of any seasonal clothing changing time, women especially are targeted that, we need to have something brand new for every single party or function we're going to be attending. And that is simply not true. This is why our closets are overflowing and bursting. You turn on the TV and there's a morning show saying, buy this, you need this, this is the style of this year. And yeah, you absolutely don't need to do that. I love to dress in kind of the items that I coveted when I was younger. And so for me, I grew up in the 80s. That's a lot of kind of 70s and 80s fashion that fills my closet. And of course, you can find wonderful 80s party dresses at the thrift store. I mean, how the color of this is gorgeous. It comes with a fabulous super wide belt. It fits me like a dream. And yeah, pair that with a pair of fishnet stockings and some, little cool boots, and you're set to head out. And again, the dress rack at the thrift store is simply packed with beautiful dresses from the past. I mean, look at this, guys. This is stunning. It is absolutely stunning. And it fits me like a glove. It fits like it was made for me, which is even better. And again, this cost me $2. This many dollars, $2. And I'm pretty sure this is a 70s special, and it is indeed super special. If you're not into dresses and you prefer, more of a skirty and blousey type of look, ta-da! Check out that blouse. I mean, lace insert. Again, looking at the tag, this is for sure a 1980s secretary style blouse. It has ruffle here, and this one cost me $1. And it looks absolutely stunning with my gold scuba fabric skirt. And this one cost me $2. So together, this rather fancy blingy New Year's outfit, $3. Add in some tights that I have a vast and varied collection of already, and again, a pair of little booties, and set to head out and look fancy. For those who like to get rather gussied up for holiday parties or parties in general, may I present this fantastic really thrift find, or maybe it's at a swap. I think actually I got that free at a swap, which, floofy, really floofy and transparent. And I like to pair that with my Refashionista upcycled princess curtain skirt. And again, you do not get any more fancy than something like that. And yeah, if you want to make your own super floofy princess skirts, this tutorial is in my fantastic Refashioning 101 book. Now, for those that need to follow the trends, thrift stores are a wealth of high fashion just for you. Thanks to the 20-year trend cycle, styles are constantly coming back, and it is very, very easy to grab something off the rack of the thrift store or from your own closet or your mom's closet or even your grandmother's closet and update it with a little bit of refashioning so it suits totally what is on the runways today. Here is a perfect example. This absolutely gorgeous velvet dress was another freebie, and this was actually just left in the downstairs closet in my house. When I moved in, I was quite lucky that the people who moved out just left a bunch of clothes there for me. So that was fantastic. And this was one of them. They were all quite dowdy, frumpy, old 1960s, 70s, 80s dresses. But again, that is perfection for this Refashionista. So all I did with this is remove the elastic waist and gave it quite a shorten. But you can say, I mean, these sleeves, first it's velvet, and velvet is 100% back. Second, these gorgeous puffed and long cuffed sleeves, totally in style, with beautiful covered buttons and the gorgeous gold embroidery. I mean, absolutely stunning. And this was a freebie that, again, all I did was remove the elastic waist, which doesn't take any sewing talents at all, and I hemmed it, chopped it, and hemmed it. And yeah, that takes very minimal sewing talent. And now I have a dress that is absolutely stunning. This one was another fantastic vintage find that is 100% back on trend. This is, of course, a lovely 1970s rather thick polyester, so it is perfect for the colder months, but with the mock turtleneck, the contrasting pattern, 3/4 sleeves, and again, it is pretty much made to fit my body, which is fabulous. And yeah, $2. $2. Sometimes you find something at the thrift store that initially maybe you giggled a little bit about, but then you remember you have something at home that will look perfect with it. Such was the case with this rather loudly patterned maxi dress. I mean, but it is gorgeous, and it does have, if I can find it, a rather huge high slit. And this blue absolutely is the perfect match to my fabulous faux fur Cookie Monster jacket that I had actually thrifted the week before finding this. So yeah, I mean, for if you want to stand out in a crowd, definitely hit up the thrift store and put together some absolutely amazing yet still totally stylish outfits. If you're heading out to more of a casual type affair, why not wear something like this? Again, this was at $2 at my local little charity shop, and I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. Again, the workmanship, the embroidery in this stunning cowboy shirt. And hey, I used to teach country dancing, so this is right up my alley. But yeah, pair this with even just a pair of leggings worn loose over a pair of leggings. It looks fantastic. Or of course, with a pair of jeans, dress pants. I mean, I would love to have a pair of faux leather trousers to wear this baby with. But again, proof that you can find the most completely awesome, unique items for pennies at the thrift store. Have a healthy, happy, and safe New Year's Eve, however you shall be celebrating. Myself, I will be relaxing with a calming face mask and my oh-so-cozy thrifted pre-loved loungewear while I watch a Star Wars or 2 or 3 or 4. And yeah, I'll probably be in bed by, I don't know, 9. So have a happy New Year to those of you who are going to be partying. Those who aren't, why not head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista site and yeah, share your fave tutorials and articles with your online circles. And let's make 2020 the year of sustainable style for everyone. Always remember, new to you is still new. And until next time, I'll get ya on the zigzag. Are you wanting to get started with refashioning, sustainable lifestyle, and upcycling, but you don't know where to start? Have I got an ebook for you? By Refashioning 101 by Confessions of a Refashionista. It has everything you could possibly need, from sewing tutorials, how to sewing, how to hand sewing, how to machine sewing, how to find secondhand, how to thrift secondhand, where to buy secondhand, how to wash your secondhand clothes, how to find wonderful things to refashion in your own closet, plus tutorials for dresses and coats and upsizing and downsizing and everything under the sun, accessories, pants, skirts, you name it. It is in this Refashioning 101 book. Go buy it today for you, for someone else, and start your wonderful eco-fashion wardrobe for pennies.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista, and adventures in upcycling, everything from clothing to accessories. Follow her on her crafty blog at awesomesauceasshotoread.com. Her book is where it's at, and she'll catch you on the zigzag.